I prefer using phone or tablet app to access and control the dashcam. Therefore, this video is to focus the steps connecting Kacam and Roadcam apps to my dashcam. There are 6 steps, and each step will be explained from how to set up Wi-Fi for dashcam and to use the apps from phone or tablet. Let's start with the first step. Turn dashcam Wi-Fi on. First of all, the dashcam provides its own Wi-Fi for phone, and it's needed to turn on Wi-Fi manually. When the dashcam is on and it stays on dashcam home screen, there's a shortcut to turn dashcam Wi-Fi on by long-press the down arrow button and the dashcam prompts screen of SSID and the password. Then here dashcam Wi-Fi is on, and let it stay on. Next, step 2. Connect cell phone to dashcam Wi-Fi. First, press settings button from phone. Then select connections, and then click Wi-Fi option. Then look for SSID, which starts with LS05_ from Wi-Fi screen. Click on it and enter the password. The default password is 12345678. I may press show password to make sure the correctness. Then press connect button. Wait till it's connected. Next, install Kacam. Now move forward to step 3. Reconnect phone to local Wi-Fi from the same screen. Click the local SSID Wi-Fi to connect to internet and then auto-save the dashcam Wi-Fi information. Then all the way return to phone main menu. Step 4. Download the Kacam app. Select Play Store from Android phone or App Store from iPhone. Enter keyword Kacam on search field. Then press search button. Wait till Kacam download page shown. Then press install button. It takes a couple of minutes downloading and installing the app. When it finishes installation, it prompts an open button on download screen. Next, step 5. Open app and connect to dashcam Wi-Fi. Click the open button. Respond to prompt message window to press allow button. Wait till up to add device screen. Press add device button. This directs to Wi-Fi selection panel on the phone. Select a SSID which starts with LS05_ to connect to dashcam. When connected, press the return button back to first page of the app. And there's a dashcam image overwritten the Add Device panel. Now, step 6. Start using the dashcam app. Press the right arrow button next to the dashcam image on panel to log in Kacam home screen. First, take a look at Kacam settings. Click the settings icon on upper right above the dashcam display window. Here are the app settings. And try to scroll in screen down and up. There are similar functionalities contents as dashcam control panel. There are 2 kinds of settings, video and general. Let me go through each one of them and may refer back to previous episode for details. First, video settings. Picture size. There are 12M, 8M, 5 and 2M megapixels. Group recording off 1, 3, 5 minutes. WDR wide dynamic range. Exposure, it's different from the dashcam control settings. This one puts EV largest positive value 2.0 and smallest negative 1.3. Motion detection, as usual. Record audio, timestamp, G sensor, off, low, medium, and high. Automatic video, language. There are 10 languages supported. PIP, PIP is picture in picture. You got a big front lens with small rear lens, a big rear lens with small front lens. Second, general settings. Date and time. Set current date and time from home to dashcam. Available, storage space available on SD card. Format memory card, TF. TF trans flash means micro SD card. Cancel or confirm to format the card. Modify camera Wi-Fi. Change the SSID or password of the dashcam. Reset device. Set the dashcam to factory settings. About. The information about the dashcam SSID instead. Take an overlook again and exit back to the home screen. Click the video home screen that puts the status bar on and off. Press full screen button to display the video. Dashcam resolution information is shown next to the full screen button, and photo shoot is as capture button in the middle of the status bar. Resolution button. Select the front and rear camera recording resolution. UHD is highlighted and selected. Switch camera, same as PIP setting. Here big front lens and small rear lens is highlighted and selected. Switch mode. Switch view in PIP or full video. Microphone, set the mic on off. Record stop. Set video recording on off. A blinking red circle on upper left indicates in recording now. Open. Photo, video, and urgent. Urgent is for locked files. This completes the Kacam app instructions to install and operate. Next, install app Roadcam. Similar to steps for Kacam from step 3. Reconnect phone to local Wi-Fi for downloading app, and then back to home screen. Step 4. Download app Roadcam. Enter Roadcam in search field and press search button. Wait till Roadcam download page shown. Press install button. It takes a couple of minutes downloading and installing the app. When it finishes installation, it prompts an open button on download screen. Step 5. Open app. Connect to dashcam Wi-Fi. Click the open button. Respond to prompt message window to press agree button and allow button to grant access to the phone. From the app home screen, The one shown is local Wi-Fi. It needed to change to dashcam Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi button selection icon. It takes few seconds to prompt confirmation to connect to DVR. Press connect to Wi-Fi panel of the phone. Select the SSID, which starts with LS05_ to connect to dashcam. Press the return button back to first page of the app when connected. Step 6. Start using the dashcam app. On the center, the dashcam SSID is shown. Click on it. Wait for buffering, log into app home page. Again, let's look at the app settings first. Press the settings icon on upper right. There's relatively less functionality settings from this app. Let me go through one by one of them. Wi-Fi password. Just enter a new password. Sound recording, on or off. Timing watermark, for watermark with time on video recording. Cyclic recording time, off 1 minute, 3 minutes, and 5 minutes for video clip. Default is 5 minutes. Impact sensitivity, off, low, medium, and high. Default is medium. Rec quality, UHD, QHD, FHD. Default is UHD P30. Exposure, from positive 2.0 to negative 2.0, default 0. Format, cancel or confirm to format the SD card. Factory reset, cancel or confirm to reset back to factory default. Exit back to app home screen. Press video button. Stop recording and getting video file list. Loop and emergency. Loop is for regular video and emergency is for locked video. Exit back to app home screen. Press photo button. Getting file list for photo shots previously. Exit back to app home screen again. Press PIP icon in the middle. It changes video screen PIP settings. Current setting is big front cam with a small rear cam. Click and switch to big rear cam and small front cam. Click again, rear cam. Click again, front cam. Click back to big front cam with small rear cam. Press take photo icon at the bottom of the home screen to take photos. Press exit to login panel. And again, double clicks to exit from the app. Here's a final reminding note. Just make sure to which Wi-Fi the phone connects to